Hey, how you doing? I'm going to show you another video from December the 9th that I took. Now, this is a short version of it because I can't find the long version of the infrared and the color video cameras. I got them on a thumb drive or something around here somewhere, but I'll find them eventually. They're both 3 minutes long because they were taken at the same time, side by side. And I've got them sequenced on here, and I can tell they're sequenced because of the audio. When this object is flying along, pretty soon the dogs start barking, and I make note of that while I'm filming. So I've got them lined up, but visually, when you watch them side by side, they don't always look like they're in sequence because the infrared is picking up on heat as well as light. And the video camera is just picking up on light. So they don't look exactly sequenced, but I know that they are. So anyway, let me show you some images here. This thing is enlarged, not enhanced too much as far as the color goes, but I mean I did enhance it so you could see some details of what this object looks like. Clearly that's not an airplane. Now this is flying from the south to the north, and in this particular situation that's from the left to the right. So this should be green on this wingtip all the time, or excuse me, were it to be an airplane, but obviously it's not. Although it'll flash red every now and then, and a white every now and then, and it's spinning what I believe to be in a clockwise rotation on an axis, a vertical axis, in other words, as it's traveling this way. And here you can see what appears to be openings in the side of this object, and a part that's protruding right here. And up here is where I believe the vortex generator is. Top and bottom, of course, it's probably got a spindle of some kind, but yeah, this is clearly some kind of an object. Now, in the video, I make a note, like I said, of dogs barking, and they seem to do that quite a bit, and it took me a while to figure out what might be causing that. And since I believe these things have got vortex generators in them, that means that something in there has got to be spinning at a very high speed. And if it is, it might be generating a sound that the dogs can hear, and it might disturb them. So I believe that could be the reason that they kind of light up every now and then when these things are around. And every now and then this thing will pop an image of itself, and it looks like a strobe on an airplane. But when you look at it really close, you can see that it isn't. Like I said, I did enhance these photos so you could see a little better what's going on as far as this object goes. And this is it. It expands and contracts right here, apart from itself. Rather interesting. These look like vents that could be taken in elements or minerals or whatever out of the atmosphere. Oxygen, nitrogen, whatever to work with. Here you can see the vortex generator on the top, the bottom. This looks like a louver that opens and closes. And you can see energy being generated on the interior of this thing. Pretty interesting. But let me show you this here video. Now, I want to stop this here just a second to see something here. Right here is the object on the video camera, okay? And you see how small it is, how far away? This is 220 millimeters right here, okay? I'm not exactly sure about the infrared, okay? Sorry about that. It doesn't have any settings on it like that. So, but anyway, you can see the light signature on the infrared is a lot, more intense than the image on the video camera. But here is a star right here, okay? And that's about the same size as the video camera image. So it is really hard to determine just how far away this thing is. And if it's really far away, then, that thing potentially is rather large, actually. So I'll let you watch this real quick video. I'll find the other ones and put them up at some point, but here you go. Hear lots of dogs barking. Now let me show you in slow motion the same thing. You see it flash white, red. It's the right wingtip. If it's an airplane, it should be green at all times, but we're getting a lot of white and red flashes here. Not an airplane. Another white flash there. So this is the object when it's just flashing white light, and as you can tell, um, I don't think it's from around here. You know what I mean? And if it is, it I mean, well, no matter where it's from, that's some high tech stuff right there. Anyway, I hope you will like, share, and subscribe some of these videos, and take care. Make sure out there, whatever you're doing, to be careful. You know what I mean? And hopefully we'll get to do this again sometime. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it.